Hello viewers, here we are with the UbiGear Ethernet crimper and wire stripper. So I have a Cat 5 cable here, and we're going to be putting one of these, I believe this is I forget what the RJ number is, but anyways, probably 45. If it's wrong, I'm sure someone will blow up the comments box because they've never made an error in their life. Anyways, I'm going to put this in here, and then I believe we just go like this. Wow, that actually works really well. And it didn't damage any of the wires inside. Okay, well, I like this tool a lot. That worked really well. So now we have to, well, it's probably stripped out a little bit too much. Let's cut some off. This has a cutter on it, so we'll try this. Oh, that's not where it cuts. Okay. Alright, so the cutter works provided you put it in the right way. And it looks like this also has the wire stripping tool in there, so I guess this is wasting a little bit of wire, but let's try this one as well. Yep, that worked perfectly as well. Alright, so let's see how much wire we need here. Half this. That cut very easily. So now what we have to do is we have to align the colors, and this is pretty hard to do when you have, well, for one, when you can't see the colors very well, but number two, when you have wires that are this wide, the 8 wire section is very hard to get them all lined up properly. So I'm going to cut the video, and I'll do that off video, and then we'll pick up the video once I have them all in the plug. Okay, so that's the order they have to go in. So I'm going to try to slide this on now, and hopefully it doesn't get all screwed up. Alright, so let's see. I have to say, this is the old plug. You can see it's kind of cloudy. This is the new plug. It's a lot easier to see what the pinout is. And there is a standard for this pinout, but you don't necessarily have to use it in a case like this, you know, where this is just a patch cable. As long as the wires are the same. You know, I mean, not that it's good practice to deviate from the standard, but, you know, in a case like this where I don't know how this was wired, it's nice to be able to just see in there and make sure it's the same. So it looks to me like they're all good. So let's crimp this on there. Now this tool, I'm looking at it closer, and it appears that it could do, it can do every size of plug. We have the Ethernet, the phone line cords, and the phone handset cords. So this is a really good tool. I'm liking it so far. Of course, now let's use it and see if my opinion changes. Okay, so that's in there. Crimp it down. And it came right out. And that's on there. It's on there good, too. Well, that seems to work quite well. Looks like all the all the pins got pushed onto the wire, so that should work. So, alright. Well, I have to say, I like this tool quite a bit. Of course, time will tell how long it stands up. But I like it. It's got a lot of different, you know, even this is the only one you need, because I've had this one. It does the phone cords. But this only does one size, so I need two other ones. But now I got this one. This does all the sizes. and it's got a nice cutter and a stripper. So I have to say, this is a really nice tool, and I like it so far. It's a good deal.